All right, court is calling 2024 CR 007-949, State versus Roxanne Hutchinson. And are you Roxanne Hutchinson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Are you the same Roxanne Hutchinson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 007-949 for the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction for 7 years on November 7th, 2024? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, violation of condition number 1 on or about the 19th day of February 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Roxanne Hutchinson, committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
And up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your violation of condition number 1 in your plea of true?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it would involve the following case, which there's plea paperwork before the court for the same defendant.
Yes.
The state probation and believe defense's recommendation is to continue probationer on this probation in cause number 2024 CR 007-949, but to amend conditions to now include state ISF cognitive track followed by ISP. And probation did make a note on disposition of pending cases, the plea paperwork on cause number, I see at the 2025 AL 002862, there's a cause number I don't see right now, but those conditions would also reflect and run concurrent with this cause number.
All right. What has she done on probation?
The only thing that Ms. Hutchinson has done on probation has been to provide her DNA sample as required. She was reporting. She reported last May 7th of 2025.
She had been reporting previous to that as well.
Right. I'm saying the last reporting is on that day.
All right. So here's my question. Has she done her parenting classes? Did she obtain employment?
Judge, if I may
Yes.
inform the court, she was doing the parenting classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan because she's trying to get her child back through CPS. So she's doing the CPS classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan. So she's going through CPS. So she has a CPS plan. So she's doing her parenting classes through CPS.
All right. So how long has the CPS case been open? Was it open before this case?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't understand why the court has received the new number 1. She knows she has a CPS case, but she's picking up a new charge and she's not following through with the conditions of the court. I don't understand why I should follow the agreement to continue her.
Judge, I think she wants to
All right.
address the court.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Roxanne Hutchinson.
All right, why is the only tangent thing that I see from you is that you're picking up a new charge?
Hey, I know it doesn't reflect in the probation report or whatever, but since then I've kicked heroin. I've been sober for 9 months. I do admit that the issue wasn't me just getting sober. I got sober, but I was still doing the same things that an addict does. I was hanging around the same people. I didn't change my surroundings or my friends. So I continued to do the same things. I'm just asking for a chance to get treatment and not go to prison. I do have a 4-year-old son that I'm fighting for.
All right. So here's the thing. I don't understand why people don't think of their children before they pick up new offenses. I'm not following the agreement that you all have reached on this motion to revoke. I'm going to grant the motion revoke. Does anybody want to speak to time? She's looking at a maximum of 10 years. All right. Yes.
Judge, I'm going to re-urge the court to consider following the recommendation from probation and what the state originally wanted. Ms. Hutchinson is before the court. She verbalized that she needs help. She's asking the court for help. It's not often that a defendant is before the court and they are asking the court for some help. She is asking for help also with CPS so that she can get help from CPS. It's well known that addicts relapse. That's not uncommon. And that's what happened with her. And because that happened, she picked up other offenses. The state of Texas is willing to give her an opportunity. So I'm re-urging the court to give her that opportunity. She's not asking for you to release her. She's asking you to send her to inpatient treatment so that she can get some help. That's what she's asking. And so I'm re-urging the court to consider that.
All right. The court, as previously stated, is citing violation condition number 1 true, and the court is going to grant the motion to revoke. Does anyone wish to speak to time?
I believe that we will be going open on that. The state understands defendant is facing up to 10 on this MTR. The other case that will be before the court shortly, basically the state is thinking, we pled true to number 1, you're facing 5 or facing 10, state would ask for around 5, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, we're asking the court to sentence Ms. Hutchinson to 2 years and TDC.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. The court will request the therapeutic community. The court will give you a credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, please.
All right. So you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do y'all want to reconsider the plea bargain agreement with the theft case?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
A few moments later.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 005153 State versus Roxanne Hutchinson. Can I have the parties announced for the record, please?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Richard Gossett for defense.
And are you Miss Hutchinson?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Hutchinson, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Ms. Hutchinson, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions as state jail felony?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all waiving?
No, Your Honor, we are proceeding with the repeater to make this a 3rd-degree punishment range.
All right, thank you.
Yes, Judge.
If you all could write the repeater on here, please. All right, do you understand if the state approves of the repeater enhancement paragraph, then this will be a 3rd-degree felony. The range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Hutchinson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1. And is she going to agree that she's been previously convicted for purposes of enhancement?
Once we get to the stipulations,
If y'all would check the box. You further agree that you've been previously convicted of one or more felonies for purposes of enhancement. Your punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. They were taking consideration 2025 CR 007240, 2025 PF 26020. There's to be restitution of $60 and to the Bexar County Crime Lab in 2025 PF 26020. There's to be no contact with the complaining witness. Did you understand that to be your new plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
yes, it is, Judge.
And based upon the plea bargain agreement that you all reached, the court has drawn a line through certain things. If you all could initial those, please.
Certainly, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this plea, did you understand by waiving that, you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then this is charged. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objections, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, to the enhancement, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, and also the court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we're asking the court to follow the recommendation of the ADA and write it concurrent with the motion to revoke.
All right, the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrently with 2024 CR 007949. State will take in consideration 2025 CR 007240, 2025 PF 26020, 2025 PF 26020. Restitution to Bexar County Lab and the cause number 2025 PF 26020. And the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
May the state just confirm that it was 2 cases that were TIC?
Yes, it was 2025 CR 007240 and 2025 PF 26020. Sorry, 26020.
If the state may tender to the court.
Yes. Thank you, Judge. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because it's felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.